Alright, let's zoom in a little bit for this. I'm using a simple ink pen for my studio, and I'm going to draw a line, and when I get to the end of the line, I'm going to leave my pencil on the surface of my iPad. I'm not going to remove it. Oh, look at that. I get a line that I can move around. It's like a little elastic band. And that's how you draw a straight line. And if you want a straight line that is at right angles to the screen, rest any finger of your other hand on the surface of the iPad, and that line snaps to 15-degree increments. So horizontal, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and vertical. Let go, and there's your line. And if I circle at the top, I've got edit line. If I tap on that, I get two little blue dots. I can move those around to any position I want. I can also come to the middle of the line, just where I'm circling, and drag the entire line around like this. You want straight lines? Procreate gives you straight lines. Okay, if you can hit like and subscribe, that would be great. Also check the links below for some top-rated tuition and a complete art studio in a box.